Hello, it's Crafty Ria, and I am so glad you are joining me today. I will be opening up some winnings and some happy mail that I got from my post office box today. Actually, my husband picked it up when he did our grocery pickup, so that was pretty awesome of him. I'm getting spoiled lately. This one is from Allison. She has a YouTube channel, Alli's Pantry and Crafts, and she also has a Facebook group, and I will link her YouTube channel below. She had a giveaway. She made this gorgeous cotton candy card, and I was the winner. So I am so excited to share it with you. She used some really cool cotton and put it in an embossing folder and added some glitter to it and this gorgeous ribbon. I love the pink and the green. That is so pretty, and that card would be good for birthday or thinking of you or anything like that. It's a gorgeous card. I love it. Thank you so much, Allison. And on the card, she used this silver washi tape. I'm going to try to remove it and reuse it because it's so pretty. And this was her surprise giveaway. She added a few treats inside. There's some candies. We have a cappuccino candy and some chocolate and a hard candy. I will put those in there for emergency use. And I will set that aside. Thank you so much, Allison. Please go check out her channel. It's really great, and she's super nice. And also her Facebook group is awesome as well. And these other two packages are from the group Creativity Swaps, Happy Mail, and Friendship. And this one is from Tammy. And this is the Wish for 11 for Wishes drink mix. And we have some lemonade, which I love lemonade. Thank you so much, Tammy. I really appreciate it. I have a box in the kitchen with all those drink mixes, and I just put them all in there, and then I have a variety to choose from whenever I want one. And I knew right away by looking at this package that it was from Remy because she uses these poly mailers, and I love this packing tape in a rainbow. Please let me know where you got that because I love that. Let's see, there's a note inside. It said, "Here are a few things I know you will use. I found the card at the Goodwill bins. My ribbon scraps from my Macari orders." And this is a rack, a random act of kindness from the group Creativity Swaps, Happy Mail, and Friendship. And I do love her writing so much. So I've never been to the Goodwill bins. I've seen a lot of YouTubers haul wonderful stuff from the Goodwill bins. If you don't know what it is, it's the Goodwill outlet. Some places call it the Goodwill outlet. And usually we call it the bins because they bring stuff out in these huge bins and you just pick through. And most of the time it is sold by weight, you know, like 50 cents a pound or $1 a pound. It depends on your local Goodwill bins and how they charge. Remy is in Nevada, so like I said, and I would love to visit a Goodwill or the bins like in Las Vegas. That would be so awesome. I can't imagine what kind of cool stuff they have in there. We have a bins maybe 90 minutes for me. I have not been. It's been on my to-do list. I really want to go, but now with the pandemic, I'm not going anywhere. But that is definitely in my future to go. And this is probably the card she got in the bins, and this must have been like less than half a penny, depending on how much you pay, because, you know, it's not very light. I mean, it's not very heavy, it's very light. And if it's like 50 cents a pound, I mean, you can imagine it would be almost nothing. I would pick up all the paper products for sure. And that's really pretty on the inside. Very cool, thank you, and I will definitely use that. And here is a baggie of the different ribbon scraps and stuff she uses for packing her, not eBay, but Mercari orders. I'm going to go ahead. I believe I have her link to her store. I will link that in the description box below. Look at this trim. That is so pretty. Yep, and all of the tulle and baker's twine. And there's just some more tulle and baker's twine and another one of those little holographic bags that I absolutely love. This is great. I will definitely use this. You know me. It will definitely, for sure, come in handy. I love, love, love goodies and scraps like that. That little piece is adorable with the little pom-pom on it. Pom-poms on it. And I think this is the last thing in the bag. And it looks like a little treat bag. It's like a spider web. And it is just a baggie of goodies, a baggie of different candies, a little mini Heath bars, and some eyeballs. The eyeballs are fun. They're cute, and some Milk Duds, some white chocolate, a little peanut butter cup, and it smells so good. And this is a little Hershey's miniature with a spider on it. Oh, that bag smells so good once I opened it up. Thank you so much, Remy, and thank you, Tammy, and also thank you, Allison. I appreciate all of you, and I love all of the goodies. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button down below. I would love it if you did. Head on over to my Facebook group, Create with Crafty Rhea, and then the other Facebook groups I mentioned, Creativity Swaps, Happy Mail, and Friendship, and also check out Alli's channel and her group as well. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate all of you, and until the next time, go get crafting. Bye-bye.